tap dancers, I'm Brittany, and we're moving along with our tap lessons. Today we're going to go back to our flap, stamp, flap. And 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Let's do some running flaps just for some practice. Ready? 5, 6, ready, go. Double time. Awesome. There, you should be pretty warm with those flaps. We're going to do flap, stamp, flap, stamp. So right foot, left foot's going to stamp. Stamp, put that whole foot down, right foot pops back up to do it a second time. This is a really heavy step. It's almost like a chug. Flap, stamp, flap, stamp, flap, stamp, stamp. It reverses to the second side. Here we go. 5, 6, nice and slow. 5, 6, ready, go. Stamp, stamp. First side. Let's go a little bit faster. Remember, flap, stamp, flap, stamp, flap, stamp, stamp, flap, stamp, and reverse it 4 times in a row. Here, we, a 5, 6, ready, go. There it is. One last time, even faster. 5, 6, a 5, 6, 7, go. There it is. Thanks for joining me today and tap dancing with me. Again, I'm Brittany. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.